This video is all about Loopring, LRC. It's a coin on Coinbase and it's doing some great things in the DeFi space. So we're going to dive into what Loopring is, check out the website, what price analysis we have to see, where do I see Loopring going in 2021, all in this video. And before we dive into it, make sure you smash that subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So diving right into it, let's check out what's going on in the crypto space right now. Bitcoin still under 35,000. Come on, Bitcoin, let's go, let's go. Ethereum, come on, 1328. We need you back above 1400. Let's go. Polkadot though, Polkadot is looking mighty fine. Currently up to 1761. Things are looking sweet there. So top 10 coins aren't looking too bad. We got a little bit of red today, but that's always a great buying opportunity. So I love seeing Binance coin at 41 bucks. I will not be surprised to see a $100 Binance coin, but that's definitely a future video. But more importantly, the top 100 DeFi coins by market cap. As always, we have Chainlink at the top there by a lot. So it's it's at 8.5 billion. The second is the wrap Bitcoin at 3.8 billion. So it definitely has that spot locked down. But we're scrolling down, things are looking mighty fine. I mean, the graph hanging at 52 cents. Loopring is at 43 cents. We're gonna dive, like I said, more into that. But just checking out some of the biggest movers. Go to 24. You have Alpha Finance up 20%. 88 MPH. I mean, stuff in the DeFi space. Bella Protocol. We talked about that on the Crypto Homie channel a couple months ago. So there's definitely some great things out there. But of course, like I said, the main topic is Loopring LRC. 43 cents, currently down 7.4%. I think this is a great and excellent buying opportunity. Just my opinion, not financial advice. So just checking it out a little bit more in detail. Circulating supply is about 1.2 billion, and there's about a 1.37 billion max supply. So they still have to put some more out, into circulating supply. So just keep that in mind. Market cap's around $539 million. So they got some bucks. The fully diluted valuation is 595 million. The total value locked is about 100 million. So just keep that in mind. All-time high was $2.40 back in January 9th, 2018. So about 3 years ago, when everything else, went to the moon. All-time lows just under 2 cents. And keep in mind, just for the past year, it's up 1,600%. The past 30 days, 165%. So things are definitely looking good. If you want to get Loopring, obviously Coinbase Pro, definitely the most liquidity. And you got Uniswap, Binance. I mean, it's on some of the top exchanges. So that's where you can buy it. But heading over to their website, what I thought was pretty cool, it says Loopring, they use a ZK rollup exchange and payment protocol. So it says, why with Loopring? Well, it's secure. There's a high throughput and low cost. With Ethereum, all those fees are just ridiculous. Have you used Uniswap lately? It is ridiculous to pay those fees. And and you could end up waiting, and it's just a pain, So just scrolling down, they're working on Loopring 3.0, and the exchange for Loopring 3.0 will look just like this. I don't know about you, but this looks very similar to Coinbase Pro, which is pretty amazing. That's awesome that they're gonna have something like that. But right now, the exchange is like this. It's the version 3, but this is version 2, but when version 3 launches, it'll look more like Coinbase Pro. This reminds me just kind of like Uniswap. You connect your wallet. Right behind my face, it says Connect Wallet. As you can see right there, Connect Wallet right there. Loopring Wallet, and then you can go to the version 1 exchange. You got all this great stuff up here, swap, pull, trade, etc. up here. Obviously, it's in beta testing, so they say use at your own risk, But keep in mind, when they launch this other, the version 3, that's going to be pretty cool. This right here is a big deal. So, because it looks very professional. It's not like that Uniswap look, because everything's just a knockoff of Uniswap. This right here looks like a professional trading platform, which will be great because they're probably going to have limit orders. I don't know for sure. I mean, I know version 3 of Uniswap they're hinting at limit orders. So we definitely want limit orders on decentralized exchanges. But heading over to another part of their website, they have their Loopring Wallet. It says freedom at your fingertips, and it says order book liquidity mining. Earn your share of about 1.2 million LRC Same thing with the AMM liquidity mining. You definitely want to check that out to earn some free good old Loopring coins. So just scrolling down, guys, they have an Android app in the beta version. So it's cool that they already have an Android app. It's not fully launched because it's in beta, but still they're working on that. That's what people want. They want the the app for the iPhone. They want the app for the Android. So that's always great to see. And once again, they're focusing on security. I mean, who doesn't want security? Everybody wants security. So that's very, very good. And they're mentioning owning your identity, and they're showing right here all these Ethereum addresses. So that's pretty cool to see. And once again, fast, cheap, and easy to use. I mean, who doesn't like something that's fast, that's inexpensive, and simple to use? I mean, if they can actually make this work, especially with the app, this coin LRC is going to be going to the moon. I mean, we're going to see well over probably $2 to $5 LRC if they can make this happen. It's all in that. So just want to head over to the price action. What is going on right now with LRC? Let's check out the charts. We're currently on the 4-hour, and as you can see, back in January, January 3rd-ish, we had this massive pump. Massive pump from all the way down to like 18 cents. Then we went as high as 62 cents, made a high, made a higher low. Then we made a lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, so far higher high, and so far higher low. And I'm expecting a higher high. So breaking out, possibly hitting some resistance around the 55 to 57 cent region. There's definitely going to be some resistance there. But once we break through that, things are definitely going to go wild. That's on the 4-hour. Let's see what it looks like on the daily. So it looks very similar. We had the high, low, lower high, and then lower low. You can call that right there. And then now we have the high. So now we're expecting to make a higher low. This was a higher high, higher low. I apologize. Those low high, like low high. Get tripped up there. But yeah, we had the high, higher low, and then expecting to make a higher high. Like I said, get above this. On the daily, it's a little bit different. It was like 57 cents on the 4-hour. So we shall see what happens in the short term. I'm super bullish on this project long term, though. I mean, if they can actually execute what they're saying they're going to do, that will be great. But it's always great to take a step back, look at a bigger picture. What's the weekly look like? Okay, so we don't have that much data just back from September 2020. So as we can see, I mean, recently we've just been parabolic. It's been parabolic. It shot up to as high as about 62 cents up here. Okay. About 62 cents. Things are looking good. Let me move that back up. Things are looking good. So as we can see, things are just popping. Right here is a lot of selling pressure, but we also have a lot of buying pressure down here. But currently on this week is a lot of selling, so we shall see what happens. We don't want this to close closer to 42 because that will not be a good candle. Let me know what that candle would be down in the comments below. We went over that in a couple videos and a live stream on the Crypto Homie main channel. So yeah, we don't want that, but things are definitely looking good. The altcoin market is looking mighty fine. We go over here to see the high 24s. Hedera hash grab, there's a video about that on my main channel. You definitely want to check that out for sure. But things are looking fine. We see a lot of red though. We're definitely seeing a lot of red today. The end of the day though, these are great buying opportunities. You see Ampleforth down. You got Loopring is down. Yearn Finance, Cosmos, Nano. These top projects, OMG Network, Blockstacks, like all these top projects are down. That's just giving you an amazing buying opportunity. So that's a wrap for the video. What did you think about Loopring? Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, this is not financial advice, just pure entertainment, educational purposes only. Go check out that main channel. And always, you guys can follow me on the Crypto Homie at homie_crypto. And until next time, I'll catch you all in the next video.